Want to manually import your NFTs into Koinly? Today, I'll show you how you can do that easily. Hello, my name is Nelly and welcome back to another video. Before we start, I just want to mention that Koinly now supports NFTs for some blockchains. Please feel free to check out how Koinly imports NFTs article and video to learn more about current NFT integration. Links will be in the description down below. Okay, in order to add a purchase of an NFT, you should first locate where you spent your original coins. So for example, if you used Ethereum to buy an NFT, then you should have a withdrawal of Ethereum in your wallet. After finding this withdrawal, you can click on edit and change the type to trade. We also here have an example of a trade and a certain amount of Ethereum being sent from a MetaMask wallet, 0.8451, so on and so forth, Ethereum being sent, and what is received is NFT1, and the quantity is 1. At the bottom, we have the transaction hash, and then we have a description, which you can give yourself, just so you remember what NFT that was. You can adjust the received part of the trade and use one of our NFT placeholders, so either NFT1, NFT2, 3, 4, and so on. And as mentioned, the name and description is just for your benefit, so you know what exactly it is that you have purchased. So, Bored Ape or whatever other NFT you might have, this is where you would put the description and the name of that NFT. After saving these changes, Koinly will automatically calculate the cost basis of this NFT based on the value of the sent coins. Okay, let's talk about now adding the sale of an NFT. So to add a sale of an NFT, you should follow the same process as above, but this time you're looking for the transaction where you sold the NFT. For example, if you sold your NFT and received Ethereum instead, then you should be looking for a deposit of Ethereum. After locating this deposit, you should click on edit and change the transaction type to a trade. And once again, we have an example of a MetaMask NFT being sent, and we have the received Ethereum amount, 0.33 Ethereum, and once again, the same description as the previous one. You can adjust the sent part of the trade and choose the same NFT that you selected from the purchase. You can also add the name of the NFT just like before in the description. Okay, so after you save these changes, Koinly will automatically calculate the proceeds and gains for the sale by using the value of the received coins. So we purchased it for about 0.845 Ethereum, and then we sold it for 0.33. So that's a net minus of 0.5 Ethereum approximately. And once you've added both the purchase and the sale of the NFT, then Koinly will update the calculations and display the trades in your interface. So Koinly will also import a deposit of the NFT whenever you are purchasing, minting, or receiving an NFT. Similarly, Koinly will import a withdrawal whenever you are selling or sending an NFT away. All NFTs will currently be imported without any market value. And here's just an example of how the NFT transaction will look. Okay, if you don't want to include the NFTs in your accounts report, then you can simply ignore these NFT transactions. This is only recommended if you are calculating and filing your NFT gains separately, as NFTs are, taxable in most countries. Okay, fixing the NFT transaction is usually quite simple. To fix an NFT purchase, you just need to locate the withdrawal of the spent coins in your wallet and merge it with the NFT deposit. These transactions will usually have the same timestamp and transaction hash, so they are easy to identify. Keep in mind that merging the transaction will create a single trade, and Koinly will then be able to calculate the cost basis of the NFT. If you have a deposit of an NFT that has no corresponding withdrawal to merge with, then you can adjust the cost basis manually. You can do this by editing the deposit and setting the worth of the transaction. Okay, to fix an NFT sale, you will need to find the deposit of the received coins and merge it with the withdrawn NFT. Koinly will then merge the transactions into a trade and calculate the proceeds and gains for that sale. If you have a withdrawal of an NFT that doesn't have a matching deposit to merge with, then you can set the proceeds of this disposal by editing the worth of the transaction. If you want to learn how to merge/split transactions manually, I will leave that article in the link down below. Okay, what if I've already added some NFTs manually? Well, you can choose whether you want to replace all of the manual NFT transactions or if you want to keep these manual transactions and only sync newer NFT transactions automatically. If you want to replace the manual ones, then you would need to permanently delete all of the manual transactions that were added in the past. You would then need to resync your wallet from the beginning. Article on how to resync your wallet will be included in the description down below. So make sure to remove any starting sync data in the API settings of your wallet first. You can do this by clicking on the auto sync enabled banner from your wallet overview page. Okay, moving on to what if you received multiple NFTs in one transaction. If you bought multiple NFTs at the same time, you can merge up to 50 transactions at a time. If you need to merge more than 50 NFTs, then you need to manually set the value of each deposit/withdrawal instead. To do this, you first need to figure out the cost of each NFT. If, for example, you spent 1,000 worth of Ethereum to purchase 10 NFTs, then each NFT would have a cost basis of $100. Once you have calculated the cost basis of each NFT, you can add it manually by editing the NFT deposit and setting the worth to be equal to the calculated cost basis. The same method can be used if you sell multiple NFTs at the same time. Each NFT withdrawal would then need to be edited to reflect the proceeds. And here's just a thing I'll reiterate, good thing to know. Each individual NFT needs to have its own NFT placeholder so that they don't get mixed up together. We have 5,000 unique placeholders, NFT 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. But each placeholder can only be used to track a single NFT. If you do use the same placeholder for multiple NFTs, then the cost basis will not be tracked correctly. Okay, if you've traded on other exchanges and wallets, which you probably have, you're gonna wanna repeat this simple process and connect them all. And luckily, Koinly integrates with over 800 platforms. And if you ever need a hand, we upload new integration videos weekly. So now with all your transactions imported into Koinly, we are able to view all your crypto transactions to accurately calculate your capital gains, losses, and income from crypto. This also includes DeFis, airdrops, staking, etc. If you have done any staking or liquidity providing, then you may need to tag those transactions manually. And like I mentioned earlier, I will leave a link to our staking and liquidity videos down below and in the top right corner of this video. Okay, now you can head over to the Koinly reports page and you can see how your year stacks up with a free summary showing your crypto totals for the year. The summary is awesome, but to officially file your taxes, you're gonna need a lot more detail. So now for the best part. Koinly produces a stack of cryptocurrency tax reports that cover your year's activity in great detail. This includes calculations and totals that line up with how the taxman wants it. We support over 1 million investors around the world with reports like the IRS Schedule D and Form 8949, plus a report for TurboTax, Tax Act, the UK, Australia, Canada, France, and a complete tax report for just about everyone else. Simply buy a plan from Koinly and download your report. You can file your taxes yourself, or if you work with an accountant, you can share it. Or you can even invite them to your account to Koinly. Lastly, check your country's rules and regulations because this report might be deductible. I will leave a bunch of resources down below if you need further assistance with our product. If you found this video helpful, consider dropping a like, subscribing for more crypto content. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below or on our forum section where our users and Koinly support team are ready to jump in.